Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. It's March 2nd, 2019, and this is my bi-weekly grow update. Most of my plants are up here. I've got a few in the basement. So this is the, I call it the DIY AeroGarden, but it's just a 5-gallon tote with air stone and nutrient solution. And I've got a light mounted, and this is a Stanley 40-watt grow light. Plants are growing so fast in here, I really need to move them out soon, which I'm hoping to do this weekend, at least get some of the bigger ones out. This is a Blue Christmas here. And I've got my cross of I call it Sweet Christmas, but it's Blue Christmas crossed with Stavros. This is the F2 of that. It's growing really well. I need to move it out. And there are a bunch of others in here that have outgrown this. Hopefully by the next update I'll have most of these moved out. Same with the AeroGarden sprout. I've moved some of these out already, but they are quickly overgrowing this grow deck. Moved some of these already out to cups, like this purple pumpkin and this white hot lime. And there's a orange ribbon next to it. So I've got some of the bounty also. Running out of room, so I've got these little cups everywhere, but these are the extras that I had. So right behind there is a Leviathan gnarly scorpion, and then the smaller one down here is a King Star peach star-kissed, and then I've got rich tea scorpion there, orange ribbon in the back. Running out of space, and they're all so crowded I can't really go over each individual plant, so my goal is to get a lot of these larger plants moved out. And then I need to set up a space in the basement for these. I hope to have that done by the next grow update. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.